Continue chapter number 13, shapes and patterns, and today we will see part 3 of it. So children, today we will discuss about solid shapes. So let's revise 2D and 3D shapes. Children, in your previous classes we have already discussed about 2D and 3D shapes. So a shape that has only two dimensions, that is length and breadth or width, but no depth, is called a flat or a two-dimensional or 2D shape. The examples are like squares, triangles and rectangles are some of the 2D shapes or two-dimensional shapes. Why? Because here we can see only two dimensions, that is length and breadth or width. But a shape that has three dimensions, that is length, breadth and depth, is called a solid or a three-dimensional or 3D shape. So examples are spheres, cuboids and cylinders. They are some of the examples of 3D shapes where you can see three dimensions, that is length, breadth as well as depth. So now let's learn how to create a 3D shape from a 2D shape using a net. Then what is a net? So a net is a two-dimensional figure that can be folded to create a three-dimensional object. You can tell by looking at parts of a net what 3D figure it will create when folded. So basically children, net is a two-dimensional figure and we can fold it to create a three-dimensional object. Let's see how. So look at the given net children. The plane figure on its parts are rectangles. Thus it can be folded to create a cuboid. So this is the net of a cuboid. You can do this activity at home also children. You can take a cardboard or a piece of paper where you will make a cutting like this of this shape. Okay. And then when you will fold it, you will get a cuboid. Okay. So this is a net of a cuboid. Similarly, you can make the net of a cube also. Okay, you will take a piece of paper, you will cut it like this, you will make a cutting like this, and when you will fold it, you will get the cube. You will get a cube. So from this 2D shape, we can fold it. We can fold this 2D shape to get a 3D shape. Similarly, this is the net of a cylinder. Okay. This part is to be folded and this is the upper part and the lower part of a cylinder. Similarly, pyramid, this is the net of a pyramid. You can make this cutting on paper and when you will fold all the four corners upward at the top, you will get a pyramid like this. Okay. Cone also you can very easily, you can make the cone also. You will cut a paper like this and then this is the bottom of this cone. You can see the down circle, that is the bottom. So this is the net of a cone. So these are some of the nets of some solid 3D shapes. Now we will discuss about view children. Now what is a view? So view of an object means how it looks when it is seen from different positions. When we see the things from different position, it gives us the view of that particular object. So there are basically three views. They are front view, top view and side view. A three-dimensional object can look different when viewed from different positions. Okay. As we discussed, we can see in a 3D object, we can see length, breadth and depth. So look at the dice and its different views. You just see this dice. Okay. You can do this activity at home also. Just take a dice. Okay. So try to look at the top of that dice. So if we'll take this dice, how it will look from the top? The top view will be like this. Okay, you can see this is the top. Then front view. This is the front view. From front it will look like this. And from side it will look like this. Okay, here one more. Here children, one more dot will be there. Because here you can see side. Three dots are there in this dice. So children, in this way you will try to see the objects from different views. It is not necessary you will take this example only. You can take the other things also, and you will try to find their different views, that is top view, front view and side view. Okay. Now children, one more example. You can take one that ink pot also, and ink pot also. So if you will see the ink pot from the top, it will look like this, isn't it? Try this activity at home, children. Okay. And how it will look from front, this is the front view, and side view would be like this. Okay. So based on that, we'll start exercise 13.2. So question number 1 is match the nets with their solid objects. So we have already discussed the nets. So can you tell me which solid shape would be having this net? Yes, this is the net of a, this would be the net is this. Which solid shape would be having this net? Yes, this is the net of a cuboid. Then number C is the net of a cylinder, and number D is the net of a cone, like this. Okay. So you will match them, and now we'll move to the next one. Yes, question number 2 is, for each of the following solids, identify the front, top and side view. So you can see this is a tent. Yes, this is a tent, and this would be the front view, this is the top view, and this would be the side view. So you can see some pictures here. So can you tell me the first one? Yes, which view is this? Can you tell me? Yes, this is the front view. So we will write here front. This is the front view. Yes. Then the second one, which view is it? Is this? This is the side view. Okay. And the last one is the top view. If you will see this tent from top, it will look like this. So this is the top view. Okay. So this is the front view, this is side view, and this one is top view. Okay, children. So now a matchbox. You must be having your one matchbox at your home. If you are having, or any cuboid shape if you are having, just try to see the different views. So this is the front view, this is side view, and this is top view. So can you tell me first figure, which view is this? Yes, this is the side view. Okay. Yes, this is the side view. Second one, this design is there on the top. It is missing in the figure, but children, this is the top view. Okay. And the third one is front view. You can see the front view here. This is the front view. Okay, children. So you will do this exercise. You will solve some more questions which are there in your textbook. And that's all for today, children. Goodbye.